Hi, everybody, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency analysis. It's your guy here, the altcoin doctor here, bringing you the latest cryptocurrency analysis on your favorite coins. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, as we would be bringing you all the latest analysis on all your favorite cryptocurrencies. And today we would be looking at yearn.finance or YFI, currently ranked about at 152, pushing up steadily, as you can see, with a market cap of $223 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $13.44 million. We are down just 17.9% for the month, up around 2.6% for the week, and up around 2.9% at the time of recording. And without further ado, let us move over to the charts, right, to see our positions right down even on YFI. As you can see right down at the beginning of the year, we were expecting a huge push even to the upside, even for YFI in the medium to long term. We were saying that we should expect, as you can see, we were accumulating at these levels, that we should expect as we form the lower low, and we should expect some at least huge push to the upside. And as you can see, since then we saw a how many percent move? You saw a 118% push even to the upside in the medium to long term. We were expecting some sort of correction, and we saw that correction. Since then, we have seen the prices move some sort of in a sideways action, one last push to the upside. But currently, I will be telling you, as you can see, why we are expecting a very, very huge push to the upside, even probably to the $11,296 thousand dollars, even in the short to medium term. As you can see right here, we formed a lower low, right? And so we should expect one more huge push even to the upside, right down, even which will be about 67% push even to the upside in the medium to short term. And I'll be giving you more reasons why we're expecting that. First, as you can see, we formed the lower low. Also, if we look at our indicators, as you can see, this is steadily pushing over to the downside. The last time we saw this, we saw a huge move right down even for YFI, huge push to the upside right down on the oscillator. The same thing, we are seeing that sort of violent move also push to the upside. So we should expect even to see the price right for YFI even at the 11,200 or $300 dollars level right on our account. As you can see, we're expecting a lower low currently. Sorry, we're expecting a lower high here. We saw the correction, and currently we are expecting one more huge push to the upside, especially before the end of the year, to the 11,300 level. So that's the analysis for today. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a lovely day.